Mansory, say hello to another Ferrari 812 GTS, the Stallone, a sleek supercar with a custom body kit, new rims, and a revamped interior that looks great when you close your eyes and imagine the stock version. Starting with the exterior, these include the attachments at the front and rear. The open-top exotic Grand Tourer, or front-engine supercar, if you will, retains the stock bumpers adorned with all sorts of add-ons. The car features a chunky front apron with side wings, a reworked hood, gills, thicker side skirts, and a very large diffuser. The trunk lid also features a massive wing and other attachments that have a forged carbon look that makes most supercars look even more sleek. We think it would look almost as good with an all-black wrap, but that's not Mansory's style. The Italian flag graces various exterior elements from one end to the other, and can also be seen on that giant wing. The tuner's logo is featured on certain components, and the machine rolls on new wheels that showcase even more forged carbon accents. The turquoise look of the brake calipers is a direct reference to the interior, which will leave you with a breath of fresh air the moment you open the door. The seats, dashboard, steering wheel, center console, door cards and other cockpit components have been reupholstered in turquoise leather with white piping for contrast. The Italian flag motif adds to the aftermarket vibe. Mansory's logo is also present in the cabin. Notice the P830 badges? These are a direct reference to the Ferrari 812 GTS's new European horsepower output. That translates to 818 brake horsepower and 610 kilowatts, and the car now enjoys 546 pound-feet, 740 Newton-meters of torque. That's a decent jump from the model stock 789 horsepower, 800 PS/588 kW, and 530 lb-ft, 718 Newton-meters of torque. Ferrari's 6.5L V12 Spider takes just 3 seconds to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and can reach a top speed of 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. Mansory, on the other hand, claims the extra power makes it 0.2 of a second quicker, completing the sprint in 2.8 seconds. The supercar's top speed has also been bumped to 214 miles per hour, 345 kilometers per hour. Kitsch as it may seem, the new Mansory Stallone GTS P830 is likely to sell for a jaw-dropping price in no time. After all, everything this tuner touches is expensive. But would you buy it if you were rich?